session. So, first, I would like to invite Janaki. Janaki is a Reiki healer and a grandmaster in Reiki. So, she does not only heals people but also creates more of Reiki healers too. So can I now invite Janaki, please? Hi, Janaki.
Hi.
Yes, Janaki, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yes. Vanakkam. Good evening, all. Very happy Independence Day to you all. Now, keep the telephone of your mind always busy with happiness, development, creativity, and confidence. So, when fear, anxiety, depression, and anger tries to call you, it gets only a busy tone always. Yes, I am here as a facilitator, Janaki, a Reiki Grandmaster Healer, and NLP Master Practitioner and Consultant Psychologist, and Acupuncture Therapist to facilitate the Reiki techniques to you all to keep your mind always engaged with happiness and confidence. Yes. So here, customized holistic healing is the standard for all. That is the main objective of my Reiki healing and training programs. So I hail from Coimbatore, and over a decade I am into this healing therapies and offer courses on healing. Now, I'm going to display one slide to you. Uh, So the first program here I would like to highlight is the Money Reiki over here. This is a 2 hours program to understand what are the blocks to understand how to receive the money and how to generate more wealth, and to how to improve the money aura. Aura, as you all know, it's the energetic field in almost all trades of art development, and you how to activate the money aura. So this 2 hours is specifically focused on various techniques within the Reiki, using symbols, using cards, and how to generate the energy in developing your wealth. So this is very helpful for entrepreneurs, working professionals, and those who are looking for a great opportunities, those who want to expand their business. So this Money Reiki program definitely would facilitate everyone who just want to know what is it and how to use it. It is very, very easy to follow it. And once you do this, you could see a tremendous change in the flow of money that is coming towards you. Okay, now the second one is the Reiki for All. See, this is a program, it is a 5 hours program. Everybody above like 13 years of age could learn this. It is for the 5 consecutive days. So this program facilitates how to cleanse your aura, and how to develop your creativity. What are the various techniques to come out of this emotion imbalances, and then what are the development strategies that you could enable with the help of this Reiki technique. So this 5 hours course is going to be a full-fledged development course. It is like a self-development course. So anybody could take this program and see that you practice it every day, so that you could see that a lot of positive vibes and how it enhances your development. So if you want to upskill something in your life, definitely this program will help you a lot. Now the methodologies of carrying this program is that number one is with the help of the breathing pattern. Breathing patterns actually manifest our goals. So you'll be learning different patterns of breathing. Number two is you'll be learning about the Reiki energy points in our body. These energy points actually, when you activate it, it does wonders. especially regarding your health issues as well as your psychological imbalances. Next, third method I am using in this 5 hours program is that the music healing method. How to enable a therapy within yourself with a very subtle music, almost like a music therapy. So, along with that, whenever you do your meditation or whenever you play it in your hall or in your office or the workplace, you could see, or every day when you are attuned to this one particular music, you could see a very tremendous growth in your all endeavors. Next is the Reiki exercise for the body and mind. As we normally do the warm up. So we begin with the warm up, then activation starts, balancing happens by stimulating the energy points in the chakras, which are the energy centers of our body. So this is a format of understanding this 5 hours course to enable you to have a very holistic approach, and it is irrespective of any religion. Everybody could learn this. So you absorb the energy, channelize it into your mind and body, and then use the powerful techniques, and then you convert it into the manifestation of whatever you desire. So as the time goes, we all are engaged with a lot of things emotionally as well as in our mind. So when you want to get the freedom, or when you want to get out of it, you see that you have a helping hand, and that helping hand is the Reiki. So Reiki always, it opens its door for everybody to gain more opportunities and also to gain the strength within you. Nothing comes from outside. Everything is within you. The healing power is within you, and you can make use of that. If I could share now with a page to understand. Yeah, now is it seen, Kadambari? Hello?
No, Janaki, it's not seen. It's not seen.
Oh, it's okay. So I'll just during this session, I can just in this file I'll attach it, and you'll get to know what this program is. So, in a nutshell, to put in, know and feel the positive vibes within you. It's the right time to experiment and heal yourself. So, a doctor is within you, a healer is within you. So, it is not a magic, it is the reality where you grab the best vibes from the universe. Next comes know and feel the change that is happening within you. Any kind of health issues which is very traumatic, please do not let your heart down. There is always a helping hand. And again, I repeat, keep the telephone of your mind always busy with happiness, development, creativity, and confidence, and never allow the fear, anxiety, depression, or anger, or anything that disturbs you to call you. Definitely, Reiki always keeps that in an engaged tone and gives the best prosperity for you ever, ever, ever. Thank you, Kadambari, for a very great opportunity. Vidu is a great platform to exhibit and showcase our talents and our skills. So please do watch this live and share it with your friends to know more about women entrepreneurs, the power of women entrepreneurs. Thank you all. Vanakkam. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Janaki. Thank you very much. So to the viewers who are watching this and those who are going to watch this video in future, Reiki is a wonderful energy healing system, especially if you do not know why certain things are happening in your life. I think a Reiki session really helps. So all the very best to you, Janaki, and best wishes.
Thank you,
Janaki.